Can you lead with collaboration and elevate everyone together? Hey, Radiant Leaders! In the quest for success, anxieties about losing power can dim our brilliance. Can you lead with collaboration and elevate everyone together? Instead of fearing being surpassed, let's lead with collaboration and elevate together. Here are 3 tips to ignite your journey. Celebrate success, encourage open communication, and focus on shared goals. Embrace collaboration, banish competition, and watch your leadership shine. Ready to empower and inspire? Let's lead with unity and integrity. Hey, joke! Ano ang tawag sa maliit na tsunami? Ano? Eddie? Tsunami? Tsunami?